Every day, I've been seeing more and more people in the gym confused about what to do. And to make it worse, there's something called muscle confusion that's making everything even worse. You've been told you need to shock the muscles. You need to keep the body guessing. You need to change exercises every single week or you're going to plateau in the gym. And if you've been doing that and you're not seeing results, you're just not getting that much stronger, it's not your fault. It's because you were being lied to. Okay, so let's say last week you benched 135 for 8 reps. And this week you're able to have 2.5s on each side and do 140 pounds for 8 reps. That right there is called progress. But let's say last week you did bench press. This week you do dumbbell press. And then next week you're gonna start doing push-ups. Now it's hard to make progress because you're not consistent with the same exercise. So instead of progressing, now you're restarting. And here's the part most beginners don't understand. I own a gym. I've worked with hundreds of people now. And whenever I would ask my clients what they did before working with them, 99% of the time, they would be unsure. One year, they would do yoga. The next year, they do some workout at a group class like at LA Fitness. And it's very rare someone would tell me specifically that they do these 6 to 10 exercises and focuses on getting stronger at these particular exercises. Now, if someone were to ask me this question, what do you do for your workouts? I can tell them in an instant. I do bench press, I do pull-ups, I squat, I do RDLs, I do seal rows, and I do military press. I can answer that question immediately. So when I make my clients stick to the same compound lifts for months and even years instead of weeks, that's when everything changes for them. They actually gain real strength and muscle and get to become the fittest that they've ever been. And this doesn't come from muscle confusion, trying to shock their body. It comes from real programming. And this is where progressive overload comes in. Each week you focus on adding a rep, or you add weight, or you have more control than last week, and you progress forward. That's how muscle grow. But you cannot progressively overload randomness. You need consistency to measure growth. Hey, by the way, just quick question. How often are you changing up your workouts right now? Drop it in the comment below. Okay, now let's simplify this. You don't need 30 different crazy exercises. You just need 6 major compound movements and be consistent with these movements. Here's what you need for the 6 exercises. Number 1, it has to be a horizontal push. So basically like a bench press. Number 2, it has to be a squat variation, so barbell squats. Number 3, it has to be a type of hip hinge, so doing an RDL or doing a hip thrust. Number 4, it has to be a horizontal pull, so like doing a seal row. Number 5, it has to be a vertical push, so doing things like a military press. And number 6, it has to be a vertical pull, so doing things like pull-ups. And once you pick your 6 core movements, stay in the 6 to 12 rep range, track your numbers, try to improve each week, and that's all you have to do. All right, now, I think you're probably thinking, well, that sounds boring. Good. Boring is what builds muscle. I've been bored now for the last 20 years, and these boring workouts done consistently is what helped me build my physique. Those fancy, crazy exercises you see on social media, they build engagement. But the big, boring compound movements, that's what builds a physique. Now, here's something most people ignore: injury risk. Your muscles, they get strong pretty quickly, but your tendons and your ligaments, they don't. So when you constantly switch exercises, you're exposing your joints to new stress patterns before they've adapted to the basics. And that's how beginners get hurt. When I was younger, I hate to admit this, but I was also a victim of muscle confusion. I remember I would look up all these different workouts on the internet, and I remember a specific one. It was the 300 workout. I was 15 years old, and at that time, as a 15-year-old boy, being a Spartan was pretty badass. So I remember doing the Spartan workout, and it included things like box jumps. And I've never really done box jumps before, so I was doing it for about 2 weeks, and I remember my knees started getting so swollen and they would hurt just by walking. At the time, my body was probably not used to all the impact that comes from doing box jumps like every other day. And I would continue on doing these different types of programs for another year or two before I finally understood that you have to stick to the same big, boring basics that actually will get you stronger and make you progress in the gym. And that's when I finally saw progress. It's when you stick to the same movements for a good amount of time, and I'm talking several weeks and even months, your joints adapt, your technique improves, and your strength compounds safely. So stop trying to confuse your muscles. They don't need novelty, they need overload. Pick a simple program, master it, track it, and improve on it. And remember what I said in the beginning, muscle confusion is a lie, but progressive overload is not. And that's why you gotta stick to the same consistent workouts time and time again to see real results. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.